Massive wagwan. So in this video, I am going to prepare some Jamaican apples with ginger to make a nice and refreshing drink. Stay tuned for the recipe. Yeah, man. Add enough filtered water into the blender. The water should barely cover the apple and the ginger. You don't want to add a lot of water to it because you don't want to stretch it out, and hence it will become insipid, as we say in Jamaica. So I'm blending the apples and the ginger into steps. I strain twice, once using a strainer and the other time using a clean dish towel. After straining, sweeten with your favorite sweetener, whether you want to use granulated sugar or you want to use honey. I do not suggest using brown sugar. Brown sugar will change the color. You want to keep the color vibrant, So I did not sweeten mine. I drank mine unsweetened because I ate 2 peanut cakes on that day, and a cup of sugar is one of the ingredients used to make the peanut cakes, and I was not having anything else that contains sugar for the rest of the day. Yeah, man, once my body get used to not having sugar all the time, it is perfectly okay for me. I can drink it unsweetened and it is totally nice and refreshing just the same. Try the recipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. What would until next time.